What do lovebirds like? They love toys of all kinds, such as seat bells, swing, ladders, mirrors, shining objects. They are natural paper shredder. Do lovebirds like people? Lovebirds don't require a partner. In fact, a solitary lovebird will bond deeply with a person who invests time and patience in its care and training. Lovebirds can be quite affectionate with the person who handles them. Do lovebirds bite? Some lovebirds will start to bite certain family members or guests out of jealousy. In the wild, these birds mate for life, so a pet will often become bonded to one human, usually the one that interacts with them most often. They might bite anyone they see as a threat. Do lovebirds like music? Yes, they like when I sing sleeping song. They fall quiet, silent and watch me, and they pretend that they are sleeping. How do I know if my lovebird likes me? When I talk to them, they smile, they close to me and rub their beak to show something. Why do lovebirds puff up? Birds puff their feathers to keep warm and also when they relax for sleep and also when they sick. A bird who sits puffed up much of the day is likely in trouble. Why do lovebirds bite each other? If one bird will not allow the other to eat or drink, then they bite each other. How do you calm a lovebird? Talk to your bird in a calm, soothing manner. Don't yell at your lovebirds. Even if you feel frustrated, speak politely. Talk to your bird daily. Why do lovebirds die suddenly? Lovebird dies suddenly because of illness and heart attack. But this unexpected death affects its partner, which result in the loss of appetite, sitting alone silently in the corner of the cage, lack in social behavior. How long do lovebirds live for? 10 to 15 years. How much attention do lovebird needs? Daily interaction needed. If you have more than one lovebird, then give them 2 hours daily. How do you tell if your bird is bonded to you? If your bird tends to reflect your action or feelings, it can be a sign that he is bonded to you. Will two males and females lovebirds mate? Yes, lovebirds can make their own pair. Two females can bond and become a pair, and male also. What are lovebirds' favorite food? Vegetables such as carrots, broccoli, cooked sweet potatoes, and dark leafy greens. What month do lovebirds lay eggs? 9 to 12 months. A female lovebird will lay an egg with or without a mate when she is around 9 to 12 months of age. Of course, without a mate, the eggs laid will be infertile. How do I know if my lovebird is male or female? Head shape. Males present less rounded head than females. Eye ring. In some species of lovebirds such as fisher, the female has a thicker ring compared to its male companion. The shape of the beak of females is larger and wider than males. Can lovebirds eat boiled eggs? Yes, it is an excellent source of protein and vitamin A, so you can offer it once a week. The eggshell is great for calcium as well. Lovebirds incubation time. Lovebirds incubate their eggs for about 23 days. How can I encourage my lovebirds lay eggs faster? Install the nest box onto the cage. Place clean wood shavings into the nest box. What food are bad for lovebirds? Chocolate, caffeine, apple seeds, onion, garlic, avocado. What should we do when lovebirds lay an egg? If she does lay an egg, then leave it, because she can happily sit on it for 3 weeks. And if you know eggs are infertile, then don't remove it. How many eggs does a lovebird lay at a time? 4 to 6. Can you tame lovebirds? Yes. Lovebirds of any age can be tamed and trained, and if you have hand baby lovebirds, then they are much more easier to tame than adults. But start with a single bird. Do lovebirds need to be covered at night? Yes, as long as a dark, quiet area provided for a bird sleep, they need 12 hours sleep. Why do lovebirds kill their eggs? Lovebirds and other birds may destroy their nest and eggs if they feel threatened or don't have privacy. So don't check their eggs daily, because they'll kill it.